Hodai sal manigina ahya nishna idu salbi Hornbill Bamboo Carnival ajipra shuru kurikina December 7 tak manibul ase Nagaland Bamboo Resource Center Sovima Chumukitimade. Idu carnival de 200 entrepreneurs participants ase kushe. Abu Mehta advisor to Chief Minister or chairman of IDAN pa program de kota ko homoy ajikali youth kan bi alak field de state laga naam roshan kurigina ahi ase. Idu nishna bamboo laga entrepreneurs kan bi naam kamabule parbo kushe.
In the last 25 years, the Hornbill Festival has grown from strength to strength. From a single venue event at Kohima's local ground, celebrated for 3 days, it became a 5-day event. Today, the Hornbill Festival is celebrated across 6 districts for 10 days. And there's a 6-month build-up of preludes to Hornbill, not just here in Nagaland, but in different parts of the country. This year, the vision of the Chief Minister has brought together 4 countries from different continents. 4 partner countries, namely the United States of America, Peru, Japan, and the United Kingdom being represented by Wales. People from different cultures across oceans merging and coming together to celebrate culture, unity, oneness, to contribute towards the good of humanity, to promote opportunities, to collaborate, to partner, and to build bilateral ties. Over and above the 2 countries, Telangana and Sikkim are partner states for this year's edition. From Sikkim, we had more than 300 participants across different verticals. I chaired 3 roundtables and business summits in the last few days that discussed how to partner, how to collaborate, and how to strengthen bilateral ties. Why I'm saying this is because the Hornbill Festival is no longer just about festivities. While it celebrates the Naga way of life, while it showcases the best of Nagaland to the international community, the Hornbill Festival is also a platform for countries to meet, people to unite, and to build up the gaps, cover the gaps in our development strategies. Memorandums of understanding have been signed between Nagaland and international agencies. Collaborations and partnerships have been discussed for the last 4 days, and in the next 12 months, many of these discussions will result in fruitful projects, development strategies, and it will benefit livelihoods, not just here, but in different parts of the country. We provide to our partners a platform to meet not only Nagaland, but other countries and other states. The Hornbill Bamboo Carnival is a strong asset to the Hornbill Festival as a whole. It takes the concept of the Hornbill Festival to this all-new district of Chumukedima. Chumukedima is one of the newest districts in Nagaland, erstwhile part of Dimapur district. Today, it is emerging as one of the fastest economic zones across the whole country. Economic studies and surveys have revealed that Chumukedima district will be one of the fastest growing districts in India in the coming 10 years. Right now, as earlier speakers had said, we have a master craftsman from Japan who is going to have workshops and seminars with our bamboo workers and bamboo artisans. I want to express the gratefulness of the state government, to the government of Japan, and to the Embassy of Japan under the leadership of His Excellency the Ambassador, who was one of our chief guests at the inaugural function. And Japan is one of the partner countries. So we're very glad to have you. Thank you very much for collaborating with us. Arigato.
Back in 2021, when I visited Kisama, I noticed something which is like we need something which has two wheels, not four. Like traffic iman congestion thake, aro gari kan iman jam thake lui mano still then they still bring their vehicle. So mila babna ekta do what if idohan events in gande, dangor events kande and also resorts kan, aro institutions kande ido implement koro parise gole do ido idea. Ido kina ho koina 2021 de moi babna korise. But then plan kurina ido idea execute korle alop time lagise enya kurina this year he 2024 December this year he khatam korle parise. Challenges to bishi thagise because this is one of its kind. Kun bhi banai sana to nijor he joints kan korole shikise and then bamboo la species bhi right species cholaole wala hai. So idon challenges to bishi thagise about 6 months to back and forth kurina idon kurina eta khatam hoise.
So when is it likely to be in the market?
Most probably next year. Eta I mean trial day ase to sai sabo I mean tala advantages bhi janibo lage but then tala disadvantages can be janili do customers can be problem face na korbo aro problem face korise goli one solution ready thakibo.
So idu ki run kore ase?
Battery so tala battery to oli do lithium ion battery ase to 72 volt battery ase de aro 30 ampere tai laga power to 30 ampere ase to ido tai laga kile lithium ion battery cholai ase gole do lithium ion battery do oli do tai la discharge rate bishi slow ase as in mon kiba ekta light ekta tade jolai dise battery de connect korna jolai ase gole do tai bishi slowly discharge hoy unlike other lead acid batteries kan nishna noigina to ido ane lithium ion cholai and then idu laga charging hoise gole do about 2 hours 2 to 3 hours like a full charge korole and then tai laga discharge idu amian la hub motor laga tai hub motor kundu cholai ase itu battery lode mane battery tai la discharge rate to lido about tai la distance to about roughly 40 to 50 kilometers plain day uphill day holido lido consumption alo bishi ho jabo libi plain day do about 50 kilometers jabo.
How many hours does it take to charge?
About 2 to 3 hours.